In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a contact to a customer in Xero. It's a simple process, and by the end, you'll be able to manage your contacts with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Xero website on your computer or device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your dashboard. Once you've done that, look for the Contacts button on the top menu bar and click on it. This will open up a list of options. What we want to do next is go to All Contacts. Click on that, and it will bring up every contact you've currently entered into Xero. Now, you'll see a full list of all your contacts right there on the screen. Take a moment to locate the specific contact that you wish to change to a customer. This is important because Xero distinguishes between different types of contacts based on their role with your business. Once you've found the contact you're looking to update, look for a small plus icon, usually located near the top or beside the contact's name. Click on it, and you'll find an option that says Invoice. This is the part of the process where you'll officially change their status to a customer. You'll need to make sure that this contact is selected in the Invoice section. This is important. After selecting the contact, it's time to fill out any other necessary details related to this customer. This might include addressing specific comments or adding more information about the transaction or customer relationship, which can be vital for keeping your records up to date. After you've made sure everything is filled out correctly, you're ready to click Approve an Email. This step is crucial because it finalizes the change and prepares the invoice to be sent to your new customer. Once you approve it, you'll get the option to send the email right away. Go ahead and hit that Send Email button. And just like that, the contact will officially be added to your customer list. After sending the email, if you want to double-check your work, you can navigate back to Contacts, then select Customer from the submenu. Verify that the contact you just modified is now categorized as a customer, confirming that the change was successful. There you have it. You've successfully changed a contact to a customer in Xero. This process will help keep your contacts organized and enhance your business operations by ensuring your data is accurate and easy to manage. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy bookkeeping!